What's up, guys? Rich here, and my About Vintage Kristian Haagen 1970 GMT just arrived. So we're going to unbox it so I can actually check out the watch along with you guys. I've done the outer unboxing already, but we're going to check this out. And if you're wondering who About Vintage is and who Kristian Haagen is, well, Kristian Haagen is a journalist, a photographer, and one of the most famous watch collectors in the industry. So I'm really excited to check out his GMT edition. So let's get this started. Okay, it's a nice wooden box. And here it is. Really, really nice first impressions here. And I am going to go into full details later on, but obviously I haven't spent any time with it. But here it is. It's in 40 millimeters. It's a really sharp looking watch, and this is on the NATO strap. But I got the bundle because you can also get a bundle package, and here along with that are two additional bracelets. So let's check these out. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 link bracelet. Nice. And the other one, which is, this is the mesh bracelet. So we get the NATO, the mesh, and the steel bracelet. So that's the set here. I know they're having some promos right now. I believe the watch retails for about $1,000, but right now it's about $849 for this. This is Swiss made, so I'm really excited about this. I'm really looking forward to spending some time with this watch and then sharing more details with you in another video. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm really looking forward to spending time with this, and I'll see you soon.